Alright, so 2 minutes after market open, we have a fair value gap going down into these lows. Usually it's used as a place of reference to short some more when we're going into lows with a fair value gap. Will it do it? I don't know because we just flipped this right here. Look, we have this 15-second fair value gap turned inversion, but we're not at the time of execution just yet. So we see went into that, as I was saying before, and short some more straight away from there. But now we're bouncing off of this 15-second inversion. So let's see who wins. My bet is on this 930 fair value gap to the downside. Let's see. Let's delineate that 945 macro. We took all the sell side. We took the sell side, and after taking the last sell side, we created this little inversion fair value gap. Now are we going to respect it? That's another story. Seems to me like it's putting up a fight there. So let's see. Now we close at the top of it. Now we closed under it. So we're going to continue a bit lower. Unless we use this as an order block, the consequent encroachment, then we don't pass. That's OB plus, bullish order block on the 15-second. Bouncing off previous lows. And now we took those lows, and now we have relatively equal lows chilling above. Touching that fair value gap again. Got this little 15-second fair value gap over here. Let's see, another one over here. Let's see, will it respect this one and continue going higher? One minute. Let's see if it's going to do an immediate rebalance all the way back up from here, or continue lower. Okay, lower. We touched twice this 930 fair value gap. Last fair value gap on the 15-second here to act as support. Now we might reach back this high, the high of this candle. There you go, we touched the high of this candle. That's an inversion. And this is a bearish fair value gap right here on the 15-second. Will it be used? Closing within. Headed a bit lower. Bouncing off of that order block once again. Closed into this bullish fair value gap. Now we have another bearish fair value gap over here. We closed below and gapped up right back into this bullish fair value gap. Typically, that's a bit bearish. There we go. Consequent encroachment of that order block, and now it's going to take those lows. And there we are. Oh, almost. Interesting. Use this as an inversion right here. This, we could take this off. And we broke the lows. Now where are we headed to? On the 1 minute chart, let's just take off this 4-hour. Clear the screen a bit. I have a bearish fair value gap right here. We got sell side liquidity resting right here. Bouncing off of previous all-time high. Dow's pushing up. Close below previous all-time high on the 15-second. Continuing lower. Nothing really over here. might come and visit these lows right here. Breaking a bit lower now. Right here we have inversion and bearish on the 15-second, right? So right here, let's see, is the inversion. Well, now this is the one that's turned inversion to be support. Now we're coming back into this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Let's see if we use it as the short entry short. So we did manage to pass it. We're shorting again at that point. And we have two back-to-back fair value gaps, bullish fair value gaps over here. For the moment, we're using this as resistance. And in 1 minute is the macro. 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute. Right now. Let's see. Continuing lower. Next buy side, sell side is right here. There we go. Falling a little bit more. Seen globally like that, we see it at the top of the order block in black. Gotta stay patient. Another big bearish for value gap over here on the minute. Now let's see, since we're approaching this low, I'd like to see if we break it and do like a 15-second inversion. That 1 hour is looking nasty. Alright, so now we just dipped below that sell side, a little bit lower, almost at the top of that order block. We have this bearish for value gap over here. And we have this one right here. Alright. That settles that. Now we're targeting I think we're going to be coming back to these. Not to equalize. Oops, sorry. Let's go back. Might go a bit lower right here. Alright. So that's not the one. Putting a sell stop right here at the low. If it does it, it does it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Period. I like to see a push right here on the last seconds. Oop, like that. Perfect. Now a target would be this as the first one. But if we keep on like really going from here, then I mean this could be a possible, right? Use this as a zone of resistance and a possible. We'll see how it reacts up here. Mm, I'm not sure about it. Right when I said I'm not sure about it, it's gonna come get us out. Okay. Where's the next spot? It come right now. It exited us way lower than we wanted to, first of all, which is not good. Let's see. Hit the top of that order block. Let's see where we're headed to. Back up, possibly. But this is gonna be it. If we pop this, we close above. Ah, son of a gun. Alright, so this is gonna be my entry. Come on, don't do it. Ah, really? Hmm. Alright, fair enough. Come on, come back. Come back a little bit. Not feeling this, to be honest. We have to pass through this right now. Come on. What the fuck just happened? Was there a speech or something that I'm unaware of? Come on, come back up. Come back up. Oh, okay, that's not good. Come back up. Come back up. Rip it. Oh shit. Come on. At least still here. Phew. I did not want to hold that. After this movement over here, that shit is too hectic. Sorry, not sorry. Look at that. Right back. Alright, we made about $1,500 Canadian. I am happy of this result. And yeah, the only one that didn't break new lows is the Nasdaq. Is there anything happening at this particular moment in time? Oh, what time is Trump speaking? Anyways, I don't know, but I'm out of my position. I'm good. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that was a what 37-point trade on 2 lots, and that's enough for me. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Peace. Have a great day, everyone.